Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. We open GBP/AUD in H1 time frame. Now this strategy we need to indicate to first 200 period EMA. And second Supertrend with default setting. If market above 200 period EMA with Supertrend confirmation, now we take buy trade. Now here is buy trade confirmation. We place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market below 200 period EMA with Supertrend confirmation, now we take sell trade. Now here is sell trade confirmation. We place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.